unveiling the phrase, grow from, enhance your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the layers behind the phrase, grow from. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language, and I'm excited to guide you through this process. Let's dive in and discover how grow from can add depth to your conversations and self-expression. When we look at the words grow and from separately, they have their own meanings. Grow means to increase in size, to develop, or to become more advanced. From indicates the starting point of something. Combined, grow from can mean to develop or increase, starting from a particular point or condition. Imagine a plant. It grows from a seed in the soil, sprouting roots and then stems and leaves. Similarly, in life, we can grow from experiences, starting at one point and developing over time. In terms of personal growth, grow from is a powerful concept. It's often used to express how someone has developed after an experience, especially challenging ones. For example, she grew from the challenges of her first job. I have grown from the experiences of traveling alone. In these sentences, grow from highlights a transformation or a learning process that has taken place, signifying progress or improvement as a result of particular events or experiences. Using grow from appropriately requires understanding the context. It's not just about physical growth. It's also about emotional, intellectual, or spiritual development. Here are a few more examples to give you a sense of its versatility. The community has grown from a small village into a bustling city. The writer grew from writing simple poems to complex novels. One can grow from adversity if they embrace the lessons it brings. In these examples, grow from indicates an evolution or expansion that goes beyond the starting point, marking a journey of change. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, grow from. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and uses for you. Remember, growth is a part of life, and understanding how to express it in English can be incredibly rewarding. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you too will grow from this lesson to become more fluent and confident in your English. Until next time, happy learning!